Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new tutorial video. And like I said in my previous video that I will be uploading 2 videos in a week, I guess it's time to take back my word. Things are just not happening. Anyway, so let's get into the video. This is my jegging from first year. Since I'm not wearing it anymore, so I thought why not let's make a transformation on it. Decide the length of the top from the neckline and cut out the body space, and also you will have your 2 sleeves. There you have all your parts. This step is optional, but for me I wanted my top to fit me nicely, so I removed some of the fabric from the top edges. You may skip this procedure or you may do it. So the sleeves and the bodice parts are ready. It's time to pin them. Also hem the raw ends of the top and it's ready. And here is the final result. So that's all for the video, and if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon as well so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.